If you have never used Scratch before, this video shows you how to get started. So first, open the browser and type in scratch.mit.edu. Press enter. This is the website where you can create your Scratch games. And here, you can either join or you can sign in. So if you haven't used before, the first time you need to join Scratch, which basically meaning you are going to create your username and password. So you can choose a username, create password, just follow next. It's very straightforward. Now once you finish registration, you can sign in. Like I have created my user account, so I'll click sign in and I have saved my username and password. So I'll click sign in. You can see I'm already signed in here. Okay, and these are some games that other people have created. If you want to create your own game, click this create. Create. So this is where you can create your own game. And there's a title here. Usually it's untitled, follow a number. So you can change this. I'll just change, maybe I'll do a dancing cat. So I'll just change the name. And on the left, these are the different things you can use in your code. So like blue color is for motion. So anything to do with movement is blue color. Followed by looks. If I click looks, I'll have all the commands in purple color. So this is anything to do with how your game looks like. And sound, events, control. So in the center is where you can put your code. So if I want to put this code, I'll just drag it here. If I don't want this code anymore, just drag it back, then it will disappear. And on the right, this portion is how your game looks like. You can either click this button, you will only see your game. You can't see the code. This is how you can test your game because you can see everything clearly. Or you can click this button to go back to improve your code. Now once you have created this game, you can click Save Now. It will help you to save the game. If you want to view all the games you have saved before, you can click this button that looks like a folder. So if I click here, I will see all the games that I have already created. If you want to take a look at some game you created before, maybe you forgot how it looks like, so you just click on the name, you will be able to go back the game. And if you want to modify it, you can click this, Stay Inside. You will be able to keep on improving your game. Now move on to the next video to learn how to create your first game.